In the context of the Philippine Civil Service Commission, when we speak about quantum leap, it refers to a promotion where an employee is appointed to a position that is more than 3 salary grade higher than their current position. Good day everyone! Welcome back to Sir Fox Learning Channel. For today's video ay magsasagot lang po tayo ng ilang mga questions regarding po doon sa latest na naging vlog ko about DepEd Order number 19 series of 2025 and DepEd Order number 20 series of 2024 na may kinalaman po sa career progression. At ang career progression is Executive Order number 74 if not mistaken. Alright. So ang tanong po doon, ang tanong is, pwede po bang mag-jump from teacher 1 to teacher 7? That's the first question. Diyan po sa screenshot ko po, nandito po sa screen. Pangalawa, pwede bang mag-jump from teacher 3 to teacher 7? So, through curve progression. Ang sagot po ni Sir Fox, base na rin po sa mga nabanggit ko pong DepEd order, at the same time, base na rin po sa executive, yung about sa career progression, executive number 174, series of 2020 about the establishing the expanded career progression system in public school teachers. From the word itself, progression. So, progressive. So, ibig sabihin, by DepEd order, kahit dun sa mga binabang DepEd order, yung DepEd order number 20, series of 2024, and itong bago about the implementation of this career progression, ang sagot, pwede. Kaso nga lang, kung ang tanong lang is, pwede bang ang teacher 3 maging teacher 6? Pwede. Pero, progressive. Okay? Posible, pero progressive. Meaning, dadaan ka sa teacher 4, teacher 5, teacher 6. Kung ang pagbabasehan po natin ay DepEd order. So, kasi from the word itself, progression. So, ito kasi, base dun sa DepEd order number 19, series of 2025, implemented na yung career progression. Kaya ang thank you sa mga na-reach out po nung aking vlog lately. Salamat at hopefully nakatulong nga sa inyo. And hopefully masagot ko rin yung inyong mga tanong right now about kung pwede bang mag-jump. Yung jump pag-uusapan natin later. Pero kung pwedeng maging teacher 7 or maging teacher 6, si teacher 1 or si teacher 3, by Executive Order number 174, as long as ikaw po ay qualified, pwede. Pero progressive. At kung ang pagbabasehan po natin ay mga DepEd order. Pero ito yung hope. Doon naman sa tinanong nyo kung pwedeng mag-jump. So meron akong nabasa na civil service regulation. Yung tinatawag nilang quantum leap. So itong quantum leap, ang sabi po dito, babasahin ko na lang para walang sariling galing sa akin. Ito ay galing sa research pa din ni Sir Fox. In the context of the Philippine Civil Service Commission, when we speak about quantum leap, it refers to a promotion where an employee is appointed to a position that is more than 3 salary grade higher than their current position. So yung isang government employee, by quantum leap, pwede siyang ma-promote into 3 salary grade position. O talaga? Anong basis niyan? So, dapat may basis. Alam mo yung basis. So, ito sabi po, pag sinabing quantum leap, it refers to the promotion where an employee is appointed to a position that is more than 3 salary grades higher. So, 3 salary grade higher. Kung halimbawa, salary grade 11 ka ngayon, pwede kang hanggang 13. Kung 13 ka ngayon, pwede kang hanggang 16. So, ganun. Sabi po dito, while the general rule is that promotion should not exceed 3 salary grade. And the CSC, the Civil Service Commission, acknowledges exceptions for meritorious cases. These guidelines aim to balance career advancement opportunities with the principle of merit and fitness. Principle of merit and fitness. Kasi, kaya ito din yung naisip ko eh. Gusto mo maging teacher 7 from teacher 1, wala naman tayong meritorious merit na nagawa. I think that's impossible, di ba? Dapat may meritorious ka rin na nagawa sa department mo. Di ba? So, sabi po dito, the primary CSC issuance governing this is CSC Resolution Number. Ayan, Civil Service Commission Resolution Number 16732 dated July 7, 2016 and reiterated in CSC MC number 18 series of 2016, which clarifies the policy on the 3 salary grade limitation on the promotion. So pwede by CSC resolution pwedeng mag quantum leap, pwedeng mag-jump from a 3 salary grade. But then may mga exceptions. Sabi po dito, exceptions of meritorious cases where a quantum leap is allowed. Next in rank position. The position occupied by the person is next in rank to the vacant position as identified in the agency. So, dapat next in rank. Loan or entrance position. The vacant position is a loan or entrance position as indicated in the agency's staffing pattern. Unique or higher specialized position. The vacant position is unique or highly specialized such as actorial or airways. Deep selection process with superior qualification. Talagang dumaan sa proseso. Consistent high performance rating. Talaga namang ka-promote ka. Consistently maganda yung performance mo. And other meritorious cases such as the appointee is the loan applicant who meets all the requirements. Yung pinakamaganda no? Solo ka lang na applicant for the position na bakante. Yun talaga. And then the 3 salary grade limitations generally applies to promotion with the same agency. So, itong sinasabi po ni Sir Fax in terms of kung pwede, base lang din po ito sa nabasa ko. This is just may assumption base din dito sa nabasa ko na resolution ng civil service. At sana, hoping tayo, kasi though implemented na yung career progression, pero wala pang bagong balita about the process. We are all hoping na sana yung ating mga expectations ay may ganap nga. Ano man yung positions natin right now, let's get ready and be ready sa ating mga papel at the same time. Yan, i-qualify natin yung ating mga sarili. Kasi by Executive Number 174, by career progression, ang kalaban po natin for this is yung sarili mismo natin. Kahit gano'n na tayo katagal sa isang position, kung hindi naman natin ikina-qualify yung sarili natin, mahirap tayong mag-progress sa ating career path. So yun lang, maraming salamat at kung bago ka sa channel ni Sir Fax, baka naman i-like mo, mag-comment ka, at i-share mo rin. At mag-subscribe ka na rin. Maraming salamat. Happy learning, everyone. Bye-bye.